Hi again, this is your host, Exchange IT Pro. This is your episode number 3 of 2018, and today we will be looking at different scenario where you have decided to go for the Office 365 subscription, and now you're in a situation then how you're gonna migrate your email from your existing email service provider to Office 365. It all depends. If you're a large firm, then you need some consultants, some vendor to support you with, depending how big is your organization. And same thing will apply to even if you're a small business. And if you don't have any IT skills, then definitely you want to reach out to somebody who is expert in email or managing the computers to help you out migrating your email. So it's literally depends what your current email system is. There are some options available where you don't need any IT help, and if you are tech savvy or techy enough to read the information and make some simple configuration or provide the information, you will be able to download or move your email from existing email provider to your Office 365. So let's look at what options available. As you can see, you can migrate email from your existing PST file, which could be on your computer, on your desktop, somewhere hosted, whichever the case is. You can import through the PST files. You can migrate email from Gmail, Outlook, Hotmail, Yahoo, other hosted providers, or even from your own premises Exchange. So today we'll go through one by one. So let's take a look at signing up in my Office 365 tenant. So when I come to the home button, then I go to settings, setup, I believe, and then go to data migration. So under the data migration, you see all these options, which I have been talking about on my slide. So today we'll cover what it takes if you need to do Gmail, Outlook, Hotmail, and Yahoo. We can pretty much cover all 4 of these in today's episode. So let's take a look. We click on Gmail. It shows which source email account or my Office 365 mailbox where I want my emails to be copied to. So for example, if my email is Adnan, it will start migrating the email into this mailbox. If I want my, if you look at, I mouse over, I change the email address to Exchange IT Pro. If I change the Exchange, AdnanAttackisOnly.com. Here's AdnanRafiq.com. So it's basically target email box where is the source and the source password. So that's pretty simple. As soon as if I here you can see the incorrect login, so it's making a runtime connection. So let's say ny@gmail.com. Let's see. So it's showing the password is not correct, or in terms of Gmail I may need to enable some permission. So let's go back and try uh, a different service. Here we can say I don't remember my Outlook and Hotmail. Let me try with Yahoo, for example. Same thing. I create to add on, and then same thing. So of course I have to go back and make sure my password is correct and I'll start working accordingly. Same thing applies here. If I go to Outlook, then I gotta put my Outlook on. So you see, the moment I select Gmail, Yahoo, everything, it already have a .com space, and then I have to put my username and password. So once I do that, then I start the migration. So if you click on settings for the Yahoo and my source, so it's showing you for Outlook.com, imap.outlook, and these are the ports, right? So if you go back to, let's say, Gmail, right? And if you look at the settings here, imap.gmail.com. So all these are predefined in this case. So that being said, it's very simple. Um, if you already know your username and password, you just need to provide the current username and password and select it. Same thing applies here on the other email address. Simple as that. You need to know your IMAP, port, email, and password, and simple as that. So if you host your email on GoDaddy, for example, you should know your available mail IMAP server name and the username and password. Simple as that. So that's being said, uh, you will be able to migrate from any of these hosting services to your Office 365. Simple, easy, and you can do it yourself. In the next episode, I will cover how to do the upload PST files and then Exchange in the next episode after. That being said, thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video, and keep following me on my um, Exchange IT Pro Twitter handle. And if there are any videos and topic you would like to cover, comment me uh, on the YouTube channel or reach out to me on the Twitter account. Thanks again. Thanks for watching the video.